All she ever wanted was my heart to hurt. No attachments, just a Gucci purse. She know I'm married, she think I'm using.
So today I'm going to be doing a review on the NUK or NUK baby bottles. So first, my baby, he was using Dr. Brown bottles, but then like when he first was born, he was using Dr. Brown bottles. But I felt like Dr. Brown bottles had like way too many pieces. I don't have it on me because I threw them out, but they had way too many pieces to like clean and stuff. It was just like when you try to make a bottle quick, you don't want to have to try to clean them those small pieces. Then I switched him to the event. Well, it kind of like it came off, but the event baby bottles. These was okay too. He was using these for a while, but I realized he was like, it was real hard for him. Like, you know, he will only latch onto this bottle when he was like really like starving. Then he'll just get it. But other than that, like he would have a problem latching on. And we tried these bottles for like, you know, at least a month or whatever. But these, if you can see, like this nipple is like shaped. It's supposed to be shaped like a woman's nipple or whatever, but it's like, I think for me, just for him, I think that he was having a problem with latching on to this bottle. It's just a weird shaped bottle, but well, weird shaped nipple or whatever the case may be. But this, I thought it was gonna be good for him because they said it is the same shape as a woman's nipple, but he was having troubles latching onto this. So I had recently switched to the NUK bottles, and he really likes this bottles. Like, he latches on really good. So they say this is supposed to be where it's shaped a certain way so they can latch on easier, and I think that it really do work. You know, I would say if you have a baby that, you know, has trouble latching onto bottles and stuff, to try this, because right here, I don't know like if you can really see it, but this little curve part, at first I was confused on like which way do I put the bottle in their mouth, because I think it's a certain specific way. So the curved way is supposed to go to the roof of their gum, and then this part, I guess, I don't know how to really explain it, but the other way is for the bottom of their tongue. And I don't know, they said something about where it's supposed to just help them latch on better, and it really helps my son. Really helps my son latch on like really good. Before with these bottles, it used to be like I had to be trying for, you know, a feeding that's not supposed to take that long would take, you know, I don't know, 20 minutes. I don't really know, but he wouldn't really latch on. But this right here, these bottles latches on. It has the anti-colic little air system right here in the front, and make so the easy way to remember how to put it in the baby's mouth is make sure that this circle right here is up, because if it's face down, then the milk is just going to leak. Well, it will leak if he's like, if your baby is eating on it and then making this hole open, but if it's just like regular, it's not gonna leak. They're easy to clean. Another thing is, regular baby bottles, the nipple hole is at the top, but right here for this bottle, the nipple hole is right here. So it's not right here where it usually would be at, it's right here. So at first I'm like, okay, I don't know how that's gonna like work when he's used to it shooting out a certain way, but he does really good. I don't know if he can really tell the difference, but I guess it just comes out a different way, but it doesn't affect my baby at all. So like I said, it's easy to clean, not too many pieces. Another thing that it's like a flaw, but it doesn't make me like stop wanting to use the bottle, is this top is supposed to be like an anti-leak top. You can see like it's supposed to stop, but when it's upside down, it still leaks a little bit. So that's another thing that I don't like, because I like to be able to just throw the bottles in my purse or in my bag without having to worry about keeping it straight up or holding it in my hand. So it does leak a little bit, but my baby latches on to it so good that I don't really care about that. So yeah, that's just the NUK bottle review. My sunlight is it. So yeah, please like, comment, and subscribe.
She know I'm married, she think I'm using her. My diamonds mad rich, they so blue to her.